Hey guys, Nick here from American Racing Headers. So after numerous requests to update our AMX system to fit the Javelin with the longer wheelbase, we were able to track down a car. This is a 70, and we did all the necessary modifications to the exhaust system, so now anybody with a Javelin can order up a system and have something that fits beautifully. Of course, it's still all 304 stainless, 100% American made. We made adjustments to the right side over the axle pipe because of the staggered shocks, and we had to add 10 inches of length to the X pipe, but the rest was pretty much straightforward. So you got Javelin guys, no excuse. You want the finest header system, exhaust system for your car, you're good to go. Give us a call. Thank you so much.